In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync or unsync only specific folders using OneDrive, easily and effectively. OneDrive is a fantastic cloud storage service by Microsoft that helps you keep your files safe and accessible. However, it might not always be practical to sync everything, especially if you have a mix of personal and work files or simply want to manage your storage efficiently. Today, we'll explore how you can select just the folders you need to sync while others remain untouched. First, let's make sure OneDrive is up and running on your computer. Look at the system tray. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the OneDrive icon, which looks like a pair of clouds. If you don't see it, you might need to launch OneDrive from the Start menu. Just search for OneDrive and open it. Once it's running, find the cloud icon in the system tray and click on it. This action opens a small window showing your recent files and folders. Now, let's dive into managing your folders. With the OneDrive window open, locate and click on the Help Settings icon. It's represented by a gear icon, typically positioned at the top right of that window. Clicking this will bring up a menu where you'll choose Settings. Entering the Settings menu will give you several tabs to choose from. We're specifically interested in the Account tab. Select that, and then move on to Choose Folders. This option allows you to pick precisely which folders you want OneDrive to keep in sync with your PC. A new dialog box will appear, displaying a list of all your folders currently available in the OneDrive cloud. You can quickly go through this list, checking the ones you want to sync and unchecking those you'd prefer to keep only in the cloud. A key point to note here is, if you choose to unsync a folder that's already on your device, it will be removed from your computer but remain in the cloud. This is a great way to free up space without losing any data. Now, after making your selections, click OK to apply the changes. OneDrive will then update which folders are synced to your device based on your preferences. The cloud icon in your system tray will give an indication, like updating, to let you know OneDrive is making those synchronization changes. That's about it. With these few steps, you can manage your OneDrive storage more effectively by synchronizing only the folders you need. This method helps streamline your data management by ensuring that only essential files are updated and accessible, leaving behind what you don't need on your local device. Thanks for watching this guide on OneDrive folder synchronization. We hope you found it helpful. Keep your file storage hands-free and efficient with this simple trick.